So students, we were talking that whenever we want to mention a point on the x-axis, the y coordinate would always be 0, and whenever we have to mention a point on the y-axis, the x coordinate would always be 0. So let's say I can write, if I want to mention a point on the x-axis, the point is on the x-axis, right? So if the distance is say x units, I can write the coordinates as x comma 0, right? Because the y coordinate would always be 0, and if the point is on the y axis, the coordinates would be 0 comma y, right? So let's talk about the center point, which is the origin. Now what will be the coordinates of the center point origin? Now for the origin, x coordinate means distance from the y axis, but since the origin is lying on the y axis, the distance would be 0, and the y coordinate would mean distance from the x axis, and since the point is lying on the x axis, the distance would again be 0. So origin is represented as 0 comma 0, right?